computer, it gets tight through here in your pecs. So take their arm here, bend at the elbow, and then you're just gonna apply pressure right through this bundle. And as you do, just move this arm back and forth.
How does that feel, Tommy? Was that a yay?
Tight.
You're tight.
You needed it.
Awesome.
So you
And you repeat on the other side for the other arm. So after you do this in between your appointments, then you want to stop on into Balance Integrated Wellness Center and get your monthly massage appointments, because they're very, very, very important to your overall well-being. Thank you, Monica.
welcome.